Hi, I'm Christoph Eckermann. I'm a physiotherapist at Ottobock in the Competence Centre in Duderstadt. Today, Feridun and I will show you how to take proper care of your residual limb and scar after an amputation.
Hi, hello.
Right after your amputation, it's important to pay particular attention to the skin on your residual limb. After the sutures are removed, please clean your residual limb every day with mild soap and water. Then dry your residual limb carefully. If you use a liner for compression therapy, please clean it every day with unscented soap as well. It's important to wash the liner, which prevents odours from forming and leaves you feeling fresh. You can apply a moisturising lotion before you put the liner on. This conditions and protects your residual limb, as well as preparing it for the prosthesis. All the advice that we have just given you are, of course, general suggestions. Please discuss them with your doctor, physiotherapist or hospital personnel, as they can best assess your individual situation.